Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today we will be solving second question of our Leetcode biweekly contest, and our question is minimum levels to gain more points. In this question it is saying that we are given a game and this game has n levels, and like we are having two players Dan and Bob. Some levels Bob will clear, like starting some levels Bob will clear, and rest of the levels will be cleared by first some levels will be cleared by Dan, and later all the levels which are left will be cleared by Bob. Also, there are some levels in this game which are impossible to clear and that are stated with 0, and the levels which are present with 1, they are possible to clear. Okay, so it is saying that, let's erase this red mark, just a second. Oh yeah, so it is saying that if a player goes to level and it can clear like 1, so in his points 1 will be added, and if it goes to level which he cannot clear, then 1 point will be subtracted from his total overall score. So like -1, like Dan will go here, then +1. After this Dan will go here, then -1. Similarly +1 and -1. So what 1 2 3 4 4 minus 3, that is 1. So like points of Dan will be 1, and similarly here like points of Bob will be 3 minus 1, that is 2. So like here Bob has more points than Dan, so clearly Bob won the match. So what we have to do in this question is we have to find the minimum index till where Dan should play to win. Like here Bob has 2 points and Dan has 1 point. So till which index Dan should play such that he can have more points than Bob. So this is the question, and now I will be telling you the approach to solve this question. Let's erase this unnecessary things. Yeah. So how we can approach this question is we can count the total number of points which is possible to create, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 minus 1 2 3 4, like. So it means there are three there are 3 points by we will get 3 points by adding Dan points and Bob points. Okay, so I need to find out till where Dan should go to get maximum points. No, not maximum, to get more points than Bob. Okay, so here what we can do is like max points were 3 now. So we can do is we can go to we can iterate through this loop and go to each index and check whether, like this is total score, sorry, this is total score. We can go to each index and create our current score, and each and at each level check whether our current score of Dan is greater than Bob or less than Bob. If it is greater than Bob, we can return that answer. Like first our iteration, we will iterate like this, and our loop will go on this 0th index. So yeah, so it is 1, so our current score will be 1. After and we will check whether this 1 is greater than Bob's score. Like total score is 3, if score of Dan is 1, then score of Bob will be 3 minus 1, that is 2. Is it greater than 2? No. So we will move forward, we will go here. So this like it's 0, so we will subtract in our current score, so it will be 0. 0 is greater than 3, like if score of Dan is 0, then score of Bob will be 3, because total score is 3. No, then we will go forward, like +1, then score will be 1. Is it greater than 2? No. So we will go here, like score will be again 0. Is 0 greater than 3? No. Now we will go here, again 1. Now score will be again 1. Is this 1 greater than 2? No. We will go forward, our score will be 2. Is this 2 is greater than 1? Yes. So if we will go till here, till this point, if we will go, we can have score max than Bob. Okay, So we have to return this index, and it is one based indexing, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So our answer will be 6. So let's see how to write code. Like here, what I did first, I found this overall score, like Dan and Bob total score, what they will achieve. After this, I made a current score of ans, and then I have iterated on a loop from 0 to n minus 1, and I updating our current score, like this ans is current score. If num of I is 1, then ans plus plus, otherwise ans minus minus, and checking the condition. If ans is greater than, like this sum minus 1 is total score minus में Dan score, and it will be Bob score. So it is greater. If it is greater, then I will return I plus 1, because it is one based indexing. And if it is not possible, then our ans will be sorry, yeah, if it is not possible, in any case we will not return anything. So after coming outside, we will return this return minus 1. And let's see, uh, so all the test cases are passing. Yeah, it is submitted. So this is the post. I hope you like this. So if you like it, please subscribe our channel, and bye bye.